Hi, this is Paulo with AEvent support. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create timeline actions to add to sequence, remove from sequence, and remove from list using your Kartra integration. Please log in to your AEvent account. Once logged in, please open your timeline. From this page, click on Create Action. We'll have to set when we want our action to get triggered. For the purposes of this tutorial, I'll be setting the time to 1 minute after the webinar has started. I'll be selecting attendees as target for this action. Let's select Kartra from this list. Then, let's select Add to Sequence as our desired action. Let's select the sequence we intend to add attendees to. Click on Create. We have successfully added the Add to Sequence action to our timeline. Now, let's create the action to remove from sequence. Like before, click on Create Action. This time, let's set it to 10 minutes after the webinar has started. Let's select non-attendees. Again, let's select Kartra, then select Remove from Sequence. Let's select the sequence we want non-attendees to be removed from, then click on Create. Perfect. Lastly, let's create the action to remove from list. Again, let's click on Create Action. For this action, let's set it to 1 hour after the webinar has started. Let's select non-attendees again. Let's select Kartra, then select Remove from List. Click on Create. We have successfully created 3 timeline actions with Kartra. That would be all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment below, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel to get notified when we add more videos. Thanks again.